If you are at all like me and have a stereotype in your mind of what a Chihuahua is, and it includes barking or neediness, well, Cessna is here for both of us, and she's teaching us a new way. She is quiet, very intuitive and charming. She was dropped into a room with about 6 people, 6 dogs, a cat, and she navigated her space and all of the busyness with such grace. She was never too terribly scared, though she was apprehensive in moments, but she really settled in wonderfully and worked the room, getting a little bit of love and a few treats, and we all were just smitten with her. Thank you. I'll give you a treat. Cessna's estimated age is 2 years old. She currently weighs 11 pounds, and we believe she is some type of Chihuahua mix, but of course, in rescue, we can never be sure. Cessna. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's such a good boy.
Hey, that one's fixed.
Hello.
You're ready to go.
Hello. Cessna's current foster family shared that she is doing wonderful. They report that she is both house and crate trained, and they have a bustling house that she has just slipped right into the routine of pretty seamlessly. So we have no doubt that Cessna will do wonderful whether you live in a home or an apartment. She is going to be an easy addition to your pack or whatever your routine is. Like just, I couldn't even see her anymore.
So funny or what?
Cessna enjoys the company of large dogs as well, and this day she also met a cat who she was incredibly respectful of. She did not push to meet him any faster than he was ready, and she passed our cat test with flying colors. So if you're looking for a very friendly, sweet, loving little girl, Cessna is available for adoption and can't wait to come home to you.